Hey, you want to go get high? Hey everybody, how we doing today? My name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to MS FITZ'S Adventures. Hey, we're going to get high today. We're going up on the Arial Tram in Palm Springs, California. It's going to take us up about 6,000 to almost 7,000 feet. And we're going to go check out the snow and go check out the beauty up there. Hope you guys come and stay with us. But first of all, hey, go down below and go ahead and click the like button. Then go ahead and subscribe. And hey, ring the bell by clicking that. And when you do that, you'll get notifications every Sunday that we have a video. So yeah, we are at the Palm Springs Arial Trams. Windows are dirty, sorry guys, but this is the parking lot. And you can look up that way and you can see buildings over there. There's several parking lots to choose from, and I think we're on 6 or 7, I don't know, we're pretty far down. They're loading up a bus over there right now. I'll do that right there. Yeah, they're loading up that little bus over there, and everybody will get on it, and we'll wait for the next bus. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We got to figure out which parking lot this is, so we don't get lost. And yeah, so we're finally making it up to the tram. Dion's been begging to do it, and she says, "Can't we just do it?" And I'm like, "Yeah, might as well."
Yeah.
So we're only going to be here for a short time, so we might as well get in what we can on the weekends. All right, guys, so we're going to get out and hike over to there, and then they're going to take us up to where the tram is. We're going to pay 30 bucks. I think I'm 27,
Yeah.
and you're 30.
Yes.
And yeah, so, because I'm old. Anything 65 and older is less money because it's senior citizens. So yeah, so we'll go up to the top and freeze our butts off for a while, check out the snow and check out everything else. And here we go. Come along with us. All right, guys, so we're going to go hike up to the bus. There's probably about 10, 15 people standing over there. The bus should be coming in just a few minutes. I think it's every 10 minutes. The tram ride, it is in a 360 car. So it turns as it goes up the 6,000 whatever feet. We're right now probably up about 1,500 feet already. So yeah, the tram ride lasts, they said 10 to 15 minutes up to the top. And then you can come down, but you can't go back up again. Betcha.
I don't know how it works.
Maybe. I don't think that does. I don't think they're gonna let you keep going back up and down. But that would be fun.
I know.
So anyways, we're gonna go up there and check it out. There's supposed to be a restaurant up on top. I've heard it was a fine dining restaurant at one time, and then I heard now it's just like a snack bar or something. So we'll go up there and we'll play in some snow, and yeah, so here we go. So this is the parking lot. That's looking over on the other side, Desert Hot Springs and all that area going down to Indio. This is the canyon. This is the parking lot. A lot of people have already come and gone, I think. They have the old tram. I remember that. It's sitting right up in there. We'll go by that. And then all these people are waiting in line, so. Yep. This is gonna be fun. All right, guys, so we're on the little bus. And we're going to be taking off in just a second, and we'll be going all the way up to the tram. Next stop, tram ride. All right, guys.
How's everyone doing today? Yeah. All right, beautiful day to go up the mountain.
Why is that doing that?
If you do not have a ticket with a printed time on it, current wait time's about 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Wait.
To get on it.
To get on it.
3 hours on Saturday.
So we've got about an hour and a half
And
to wait when we get up there.
F like Frank.
Frank. We're in Frank, or Misfits. Yeah.
Tickets and boarding loading area.
That's the one they used to have.
Second floor.
Okay, we're getting off the
right there if you need it. Have a
getting
great
off the
time.
bus.
Thank you.
Yeah, we're getting off the bus and we'll go up to the tram. After you, hon. All right, we're inside. We're going to get tickets. They said it's about an hour and a half wait. So the sooner we get the tickets, the better we'll be. Lots of people here. It's a Monday. This is on how they built the whole Tower 1. That was the old tram. Look who it is. Aaron. That's the pulleys. Check that out. They made a landing pad for the helicopter. Cool, huh? Look at the cable. I bet shit's flipping off. I remember seeing one cable that was like huge. And those the anchors.
Which allow the cable to roll safely over the tower top. Releases the snap ring.
So we usually do this kind of task in the noon, especially because it's a lot of noon, but we figured today we best.
Of course, you gotta have a gift shop. Kind of a small area. This is the tramway history that we just went in to see. Lots of people here. They could use a bigger building, huh? Making all that money. Got snacks over here and stuff. Look at the snacks. Beer. No beer today. Not yet. So this is the tram leaving up here. You can see them go.
Like, I'm not saying do the same thing.
They take off up here. They go up this way, and they just keep on going up. Little waterfall over here, isn't that pretty?
Although Kitty Hawk is very cool.
Well, we just got some chicken tenders from inside. They were $9.99, so we split those. There was 4 big pieces of chicken tenders. They're the same chicken tenders that Dione and I cooked at the KOA in Astoria. They were baked, which was really good. They're not bad. But we only served them for $5 for 3. They gave us 4 for $10, so I think ours was a better deal. Obviously, we're in a tourist area right now. So what we're going to do is, it's now 1:45. No, it's 12:45. Yeah. We have to wait till 1:45, and they'll call our names in the next hour. Excuse me. We'll get on the tram, and hopefully we get some good seats, or we're standing, or whatever. I get next to the window, and you can see everything. So that'd be pretty cool. All right, guys. Ate too fast, got hiccups. Yeah, just a little update. It's now 1 o'clock. The tram is going to leave for the 1 o'clock tram ride. And then we have 3 more tram rides, I guess. Or 2 more, right? No, 3 more. 1 at quarter after? Yeah. So we're on the 1:45. It's not too bad. We've been sitting here for maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, just people watching. You can see all the people out here. Like, there's a lot to look at. There's tons of people. So it's people watching at its best right now, I guess. Every walk of life is here, it seems like. How was your chicken tenders? Yeah? Yeah, the chicken tenders were pretty good, like I said before. All right, guys, we got another 45 minutes, and we'll be on that tram going up.
Here you go.
Thank you, thank you. So, hello.
How many in your group here, guys?
Just two.
Okay, we're gonna do a fun quick souvenir photo for you before you board this tram, okay?
Okay.
Come on in. You look up on the floor in the middle. If you want to put anything down, we have a table for you on this side. It's just gonna be one quick picture and you'll be on your way, okay?
Okay.
And we'll have you folks right behind this black line for now. Thank you. All right, you can do a fun pose. Peace signs, hand in the air, just a big hug. Look right here, big
Knock it off.
smiles. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. All right, so
Thanks.
you can use this ticket at the top of the seat if you want to. okay?
Cool, thanks.
Have a wonderful day today.
You too.
All right, how many is it? Well, let's do a fun picture.
Got to make more money. Hey, look, here's the machinery.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Okay. And we're going through a glass maze. This is the cable. Lock track cable. That's a portal. So yeah, guys, we're getting on the tram now. It's coming down from the mountain. We've got about another 8 minutes. These are all the board of directors. Hey, let's get by the door. Don't sit down because we don't have that much time. Probably that one, I would imagine. That's where it's coming from, right? So yeah, so we're here. And we're first in line, isn't that cool? Yep, the tram will be coming down and be parked right in here, and then we'll get on, I'm sure. All right, guys. We'll talk in just a minute as we go up. All right, here comes our tram, guys. Be getting on in just a few minutes. Looks to be getting off. Drops down just a little bit more. Fits right in this spot. So they're leaving the tram right now. We'll be getting on in just a few minutes. They'll announce it. They'll come and open the doors. And yeah, it's round. We'll get straight in there so we can see everything. And it's also a 360 tram. All right, so we're getting on the tram. We're gonna hurry up and get right in the middle. All right, so we're all stuffed in here like sardines. It's probably about 35, 40 people, maybe less. Can't see out the window very well, but we're gonna put you down here like that. And maybe, just maybe, you'll be able to see pretty good. So we'll be taking off here in about 5, 6 minutes, something like that. So what do you think, honey?
I like it. It's cool.
It's fun, huh? All right, guys, that was a ride up on the tram. Let's go take a look. She sits in the middle, controls it as the floor rotates all the way around. That's pretty cool. And check out the view. Hey, look. You can actually see this mountain from Yucca Valley, Joshua Tree area, kind of peeking over these mountains here. So you can actually see that. Oh, sorry, hon. Pretty view. You're lucky to work here. All right, so we got to get out of here. We can't stay up here. And we're going to go upstairs. Look at that view. And we're going to go back up or down. I'm not sure which direction we're going. Well, look, guys, we got snow up here. Very pretty. Look. Snow. Start an avalanche. So where we're going?
Let's go downstairs and go outside.
Let's do that. Yeah, so we're gonna go outside, try to find outside somehow, and try to go and play in some snow. We'll see what happens. Yeah, guys, it's pretty windy and cold up here. We're pretty much dressed warm. There's a lot of people that aren't. There's really not much up here in the wintertime. You can't go up on any of the trails. You can't hike up on this one over here. They got a bunch of them on the other side blocked off because of all the snow. So, yeah, we're at the top. That's pretty cool, huh? All right, so we're gonna check out inside, see if there's anything in there, and then maybe head back down.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. We've only been up here like 15 minutes, but there's not much to it, so we're gonna go inside and see what's in there. All right, guys. A little swag here. Patches and stickers and everything else down here. Bandanas, hats. We have little bears here. There's our birds here. And butterflies. All the pine cones that are up here from the trees. Look how big those suckers are. So did you have fun? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this was fun up here. It's could be better in the summertime, I think. We could do more hiking and stuff without all the snow around, but yeah, it was a fun time. We're gonna start going down now, guys.
Alrighty guys, just like I was on the way up, it is on the way down, but instead of swinging, we are dipping. Once we fully exit the dock, I will set up a rotation, so just a little heads up. Alrighty guys, enjoy.
Great song selection. Hey look, we're gonna pray in front of the door, I think.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Valley Station. As we go into the dock, we may bump the sides just a bit. You guys wanna hold on.
Alright, so the door landed in front of us as it turned around, so we'll be unboarding. Deboarding?
Deboarding.
Deboarding. And then we'll be heading down to the car, the truck, and go back home to Max. See what the little sucker's doing all day. Tore up what? Ooh. No, he wouldn't tear up anything, would he? All right, guys, here we go. I want to tell her great tunes. So yeah, This is the tram going all the way up to the top. Did you select the music? Did you select the music? Great job. Awesome. Yours is probably the best ride of the day. That's awesome. That's her own music. I love it. That's too cool. All right, guys, you can see over there, there's a ton of people. And we're just gonna go on out. All right, guys, this is where you come in and get your tickets and do all that like we did this morning or this afternoon. This is underneath, they have this little stream running through. Yep, we're gonna get on the tram and we're going to probably go on home now. All right, hon, ready? We're in F, right? Yeah, back again. How's your ankle?
Screaming.
Is it? Poor thing. Hold on, we're not off yet. All right, let's go across the bus now. We walking sideways, honey? So this is a canyon that comes up to the tram, and it's absolutely beautiful. So if you guys are down here in Palm Springs, it's 30 bucks a person. Basically go up there, eat some snacks, contribute to the population here and the workers, give them some money, and go up and see some snow or go up and do some hiking in the summertime. Right?
Yes.
All right, guys, we're going in the car. We're gonna see Max. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. We had a lot of fun up there in Palm Springs and going up the Arial Tram. It was a little cold.
Yes.
It was a lot cold. The wind was blowing really brisk. We were kind of dressed warm. I didn't have long johns on or anything like that, but I had a warm jacket. She had a warm jacket. She was layered up. We really would like to hike the place. The summertime would be great because there's so many trails up there that you can go on and see the whole back wilderness area up there. But in the snow, really, as much snow as was up there, you really couldn't go very many places. So it was a nice trip up, and I hope you enjoyed the ride back down, because when they took off and it goes, woo, the gondola, yeah, it was fun. On the way up, we had a lady, and she was freaking out, an older lady. And she says, "Why didn't you tell me the ground's moving?" And well, it was the whole bottom plate of the tram itself. The floor was just kind of going around. And so she was freaking out about it. And it was like, it's okay. Or I don't know who it was, a friend or somebody. And she's like, "No, this is crazy. Why would they do this to me? Why would they do this?" I'm laughing. And it's like, you just can't hold on, because the only thing to hold on to is the windows and stuff as it goes around, and you're like grabbing onto it, and it would just go across. And yeah, it was kind of neat. On the way down, I just kind of balanced myself and tried to get as many good shots as I could for y'all. Hope you like that. And then yeah, so we're home now, and we are going to call this an ending to our video for sure. We're tired, and we've been working very, very hard here at the new campground. So Dion's been in the office, and she's been also doing housekeeping, and I've been doing maintenance outside. It's starting to get a little warmer here. We had those big storms come through here. We have 2 more coming in the next couple days, but it's going to be more rain than anything. I think the elevation for the snow is up like 8,000 feet. So mostly rain up in the mountains. That got the I don't know, the 200 inches of rain or snow that they had, or more. I don't even know. It's amazing how much snow they got up there. So yeah, they finally got dug out today. We heard on the news, and this rain is going to come and it's going to wash all that snow away, and all the rivers are going to flood, and LA is going to flood, and yeah, that's what they say. So hopefully they can keep some of that water, and if they can keep some of that water inland and some little reservoirs and things, it'd be better for California, and that's what's happening now. So yeah, so we're going to call this quits. Before we go though, if you want to just go below here and you know, click the like button, and then you can go to the subscribe button, and then go over and just ring the bell. And when you ring the bell, you'll get notifications that every week we have a new video. It's every Sunday. And yeah, what else? We've got our Patreon account, and you can get to our Patreon account on our website, which is MS FITZ'S Adventures and .com. Yeah, so go check that out. Right?
Yes.
Because it's fun. She's got her blog that she writes every Monday, and also there's all of our photos, and you can get on to see our there's a link to YouTube, and then you can get on and do a GoFundMe if you'd like. Leave us you know, $5, $10, whatever. Say thank you for the video and help us with all the costs that it does take to make these videos. And then Patreon, get on Patreon, check it out. Here's the slide for you, and this is what it is. Read this. So if you check out Patreon and get on there, you'll have all these neat things. You have 3 different tiers. Just check it out, guys. We appreciate it. So come on back and see us next week, right?
Yes.
I don't know what we're going to be doing, but probably not much. We've got a really busy week this week. I'm the only maintenance man going to be here, and when somebody's going to be gone, so for a week. So I'm going to be very, very busy every day because there's all sorts of projects to do, and we'll tell you about that on our next video. So hey guys, be kind to each other, and we love you, and be safe, and come and see us next Sunday.
Yes, please.
All right guys, bye now. Have a good night. Have a good day.